Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today's video is an easy diet that will get you a flat stomach. So I'll be showing you what I ate in a day recently. And before I do that, I have a piece of advice. It's something that I follow and I recommend if you're trying to eat more healthy, get in better shape, you want to have a flat stomach and you want to have good results, this is what I suggest. What I do pretty much every day, and this has helped me stay in great shape over the years, is I have these three things just about every day. And it's going to help crowd out the bad food and give you lots of nutrition and good, healthy food that your body needs that's going to keep you healthy and fit. So I suggest eating these three things every day before you eat any other food. That is number one, a smoothie. And you're going to see in my What I Eat videos, I make a smoothie just pretty much every day. And there's lots of combinations that I do. Number two is a fruit meal. It's just a big bowl of fruit or several pieces of fruit. And this is what your body is going to want. This is the food that's made for humans. And number three is a nice big green salad. So if you're eating a smoothie every day, a fruit meal every day, and a big salad every day, not only is it going to give you the nutrition that your body needs, the high water content foods, the fiber that's going to help keep you full, and it's also going to crowd out that bad food. So the more healthy, good food you eat, the less bad food you eat. And that's going to keep you healthy and fit in the long term. So on this day, I started off my first meal at 1 p.m. because I fast through the morning, do my workout fasted at 11 a.m. And I had a smoothie. And this was a really good one, very healthy. It had 3 dates. It had a half a cucumber, 2 sticks of celery, a half a bunch of kale, 1 cup of frozen blueberries, 1 cup of frozen pineapple, and a few tablespoons of soaked chia seeds, as well as 2 cups of coconut water. So this is my berry green smoothie. Lots of berries, some fruit, and lots of greens. And it also, of course, has the chia seeds for some healthy fats. So this is a great combination. I recommend trying out this smoothie. Let me know what you think. It makes me feel amazing every time I have the smoothie. And it made just over 1 liter. It's super delicious and healthy. Then at 3 p.m., I had a tub of mangoes, super delicious. Next up at 5 p.m., I had a bowl of grapes and then a salad. It had greens, cucumber, apple, avocado, and pecans. Then I finished things off at 7 p.m. I had a big bowl of homemade vegetable soup with some slices of Dave's bread, one with peanut butter, one with jelly, and then I had seconds on those as well with the soup and the bread. And for dessert, I had a couple of these homemade banana muffins. So that was it. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook I have in the description box. I have some delicious recipes there. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Subscribe for more videos. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.